Okay, so just one more thing. I want to flatten the image now. We'll go to Layer, Flatten Image. So we're back to a single background layer. Now you'll sometimes find with areas with images that contain waterfalls that the water can become a little burnt out and lacking in detail. And for that we can simply use a levels layer, and we'll simply go to the adjustment layer icon and choose levels. I'm going to just pull up my midtones a little so that water features quite a lot of nice lights and darks, and I'm just going to pull the highlights down a bit so we add a bit more life to those highlights. Going to exaggerate this a little so you can see it better on screen. And once you're happy, make sure you've got the preview box checked, by the way. Once you're happy with the look of the water, simply click OK. Now that's improved the water no end, but we've also affected the rest of the image, and that we don't want to do. But again, by the power of layer masks, we have a layer mask attached to the adjustment layer, and we can fill that with black. Again, edit, fill layer, fill it with black. That completely hides the effect of this adjustment layer. Click directly on the layer mask, choose the brush tool, painting with white, and by doing this we can literally paint over this waterfall. Just increase the opacity of the brush a little, paint over the waterfall like so, and we'll simply expose the effect of that adjustment layer just over the water and not over the rest of the image. And it's quite a subtle effect, this, but it can make a real difference to images that contain waterfalls. So you'll see if I hold down the Alt key, you can see the mask in isolation. So the only bits of the adjustment layer that will show will be the bits behind this white paint, and we can prove that by simply turning this off and on, and you'll see that's made a real significant difference to that area of waterfall. Okay, so I hope you'll find that tutorial useful. It's often necessary to combine 2 or 3 exposures of a simple image, and by using this method you should be able to do it without any annoying exposure halos in the final image itself.